In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to delete apps from your Wix website. This might sound a tad complex, but fret not. It's actually straightforward and quite fast. To start at the beginning, we'll focus first on the deletion of full-page apps. These include popular ones such as Wix stores, blog, or bookings. So the first step is to navigate to your Wix editor, your website's control center, where you can manage all your content and apps. After you've successfully logged into your Wix editor, you'll notice a tab on the left side labeled My Business. Carefully locate this tab and click on it. Upon doing so, you will see a list of apps. Here, you need to select the app that you desire to delete. This could be the Wix Stores app, the Blog app, or perhaps Bookings app if you're running an online reservation service. Next, look closely to find the More Actions icon represented by three little dots located next to the app you intend to delete. Click on this icon and a drop-down list will appear. On that list, you should find the Delete App button. You need to click on it to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation dialog box may appear where you would need to confirm your decisions to finalize the deletion. Next, we'll talk about the deletion of apps that are placed as elements on a page. Navigate to your Wix editor just like before, but this time, you'll go to the specific page where the app element in question resides. Once you're on that page, simply click on the app element you want to delete. With the app selected, you will have two options to delete it. You can either click the delete icon, represented by a trash can, or you can simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This will outright delete the app element from your page. Lastly, let's go through the process of deleting dashboard-only apps. Start by navigating to your website's dashboard. Look out for a tab in the left-hand menu labeled Apps. When you click on it, you will get an additional option, Manage Apps. Under this option, you will find a list of all the apps installed in your dashboard. Identify the app that you want to get rid of, and again click on the three-dotted More Actions icon located along the same row as the app name. A drop-down will appear, and you'll see the Delete button. Click on it, and the dashboard-only app will be deleted from your website. Remember, driving a perfect website requires cleaning up unused apps and components from time to time to make room for improvements. That's all you need to know about deleting apps from your Wix website. As you can see, it's a simple matter of navigating through your Wix editor or dashboard and following the right steps. Happy managing!